Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights. High above the Arctic skies, a silent, swirling symphony of color lights up the night. Shades of green, purple, and pink dance across the heavens in one of nature's most breathtaking displays, the Aurora Borealis, or as it's more poetically known, the Northern Lights. But what exactly causes this mesmerizing phenomenon? Where can you see it? And why have people throughout history looked to the skies in awe, fear, and wonder? The Aurora Borealis is a natural light display that occurs in the Earth's polar regions. The name Aurora Borealis comes from Roman mythology, Aurora, the goddess of dawn, and Boreas, the Greek god of the north wind. But this magical glow isn't the result of gods or spirits, it's actually science at its most beautiful. Auroras occur when charged particles from the sun, also known as solar wind, collide with gases in Earth's upper atmosphere, primarily oxygen and nitrogen. These collisions release energy in the form of light. The result? Curtains of color that ripple across the sky. The sun constantly emits a stream of particles, called the solar wind, into space. Sometimes, particularly after solar flares or coronal mass ejections, this stream becomes more intense. As these charged particles approach Earth, they are deflected by our planet's magnetic field. But near the magnetic poles, the field lines dip inward, guiding particles into our upper atmosphere. Once there, these particles collide with atmospheric gases. Different gases produce different colors. Oxygen gives off green or red, while nitrogen produces blue or purplish hues. Altitude also plays a role. Lower altitude collisions often appear green, while higher up, you might see rare shades of red or even violet. The best places to see the Aurora Borealis are near the Arctic Circle, think Alaska, Canada, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Finland. The auroras are most visible between late September and early April, when the nights are long and dark. Solar activity, weather, and light pollution all affect visibility. The darker and clearer the sky, the better your chances. Many aurora chasers use aurora forecast apps to track geomagnetic activity. A rating known as the KP index, on a scale from 0 to 9, helps predict visibility. A KP of 5 or higher is ideal for lower latitudes. While the Northern Lights get most of the fame, their southern counterpart, the Aurora Australis, dances over the skies of Antarctica, Tasmania, and parts of New Zealand. Both auroras are mirror images of each other, caused by the same solar processes, just at opposite ends of the Earth. Long before scientists understood the auroras, ancient cultures explained them through myths and legends. In Norse mythology, the lights were thought to be reflections from the shields of the Valkyries, female warriors guiding the souls of the dead to Valhalla. Inuit tribes believed the lights were the spirits of animals, while some North American tribes saw them as the dancing souls of ancestors. In medieval Europe, auroras were sometimes viewed as omens, foretelling war, famine, or divine messages. Even today, the lights evoke a sense of mystery and wonder that science alone can't fully explain. Today, aurora hunting is a booming part of adventure tourism. Photographers travel thousands of miles to capture that perfect long-exposure shot. With modern technology, even amateur stargazers can photograph auroras using a tripod and a DSLR or smartphone with night mode. Some people even tune into live aurora cams from observatories in the Arctic to witness the magic from home. Auroras don't just look beautiful, they also tell us about the space weather surrounding Earth. Powerful solar storms can interfere with GPS, radio communications, and even power grids. That's why scientists monitor solar activity closely using satellites like NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory. In a way, the auroras are Earth's early warning system, a glowing sign that our planet is constantly interacting with the forces of the sun. Thinking of seeing the Northern Lights for yourself? Here are a few quick tips. Best time, September to March. Best places, Northern Scandinavia, Alaska, Northern Canada, and Iceland. Gear, warm clothing, a good camera, tripod, and lots of patience. Tools, use Aurora apps, check weather forecasts, and avoid city lights. And most importantly, be prepared to wait. The auroras can be unpredictable, but when they appear, it's a moment you'll never forget. In a world dominated by screens, noise, and artificial lights, the Aurora Borealis reminds us of the raw, untamed beauty of our universe. It's more than just a spectacle, it's a cosmic connection between Earth and the Sun, science and mythology, past and present. So next time you look up into a dark sky, remember, somewhere in the north, the heavens might just be dancing. Did you enjoy this journey into the skies? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if seeing the Northern Lights is on your bucket list, or if you've already witnessed the magic. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a little more wonder in their life. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.